transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A statewide Amber Alert has been issued by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation on behalf of the Cheatham County Sheriff's Office for Jordan Gorman. Jordan is a 9-year-old white male with brown hair and brown eyes, 4 feet tall and 75 pounds. Jordan was last seen at his residence at approximately 11:30 a.m. on November 15, 2020 in Jolton, Tennessee. Jordan was last seen wearing blue jeans and a gray short-sleeved t-shirt with red stripes. If you have seen Jordan or have any information regarding his whereabouts, please contact the TBI 1-800-TBI-FNOP or the Cheatham County Sheriff's Office at 615-792-2098.
Jordan was last seen at his residence at approximately 11:30